Yo, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I will be showing you all how to make a custom mayonnaise sandwich with meat, obviously. So yeah, let's get started. So first, you want to get your meat right here. I know my mom does it like differently. Anyways, so then you lay that right there, like that. Then you take and scoop some mayonnaise, and then you just wipe it on that meat right there. I used a little more than I expected. I don't know why, but yeah, that's just my thing. So, after that, it should look a little bit like this. So, yeah. And then, what you want to do is you want to take this other bread right here and lay it on top, like that. So now it looks like that. Now, you want to do what you just did. So, then you lay it like that. Like that. Then you take some more mayonnaise and spread it like that. So now, should look like that. Then okay, yeah, so take out that other bread, and then, with your last piece of bread, which you should have only 3 pieces of bread, you lay that on top, and then, bon appetit, you get a double mayonnaise meat sandwich. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you never miss another video. And I will see y'all later.